you guys like watching trucking drug bust YouTube videos? I find them very entertaining and they get really addictive. I really like watching them, see how the driver acts, see how the cops acts, what happens, and then I'd actually just play like scenarios through my mind, like what's gonna happen. Let's check one out right now and go over it together. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this whole drug bust. Here's a drug bust in New Mexico. Driver gets pulled over. Let's start looking at this.
How you doing, driver? I come up and talk to you, sir. Yes, sir. Nice truck, you sure? Yes, sir. Why you pulled me over, sir? Try to keep it under 65, all right?
I did.
Speeding.
70 there in the left lane, all right?
I was trying to get you past by. Hold on, sir.
So this is your truck?
Company truck, sir.
Oh, so you drive for these guys?
Yes, sir.
You got a registration?
Yes, sir.
How long you been driving for these guys?
Just not long.
You by yourself in there?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you guys, but already, like, if I was the cop, I'd already be kind of sketched out. The dude's already not acting right, but, you know, let's keep on looking at it.
Let's see the back.
Yeah, go ahead. Nothing.
Somebody else?
No, sir. You have no registration, sir?
So you say you've been with them how long now?
Just a year, sir.
1 year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many trucks do they have?
Just one.
One truck, that's it?
Yes, sir.
What's inside the trailer?
It's empty.
There's no load?
It's empty. I'm going to a repair shop.
Okay.
Yeah, going to Greenwood.
So you have nothing in the trailer?
No.
What do you have a seal on?
Just put the seal on, that's it.
All right, super red flag. The dude has a seal on an empty trailer. Now, if it's like a padlock, maybe I might understand, but if you're saying it's an actual freight seal and it's on the trailer and it's empty, I don't know, man. Like, my spidey senses will be going off already, but let's check out more.
No load?
No. Because, you know, somebody was messing with my trailer.
Well, what happened?
They unhooked the bolt.
Okay. Did they put something in there?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I just put it, you know, so they won't open it.
I got you. All right. So you have your logbook, sir?
My logbook's right.
So where did you drop off your last load?
So I went to Houston, so they couldn't repair it. They didn't have the part. So I'm going to Indianapolis. They have the part over there.
Okay, so you're trying to get repaired in Houston. You didn't get repaired because they didn't have the parts, and then you're driving a broken truck from Houston to Indianapolis, bro. That's another, dude, that's like so many red flags already, man.
So you drove empty from Houston?
Yes, sir.
What kind of part are you looking for?
Wait, he said you drove empty? Dude, yeah, red flag all over the place, bro. This guy's done. Like, he definitely is not calm under pressure. Does not have all his ducks in order. Like, dude, this is wild, man. And you're transporting drugs? Wow.
I'm looking for the gasket. There was like major leaks. As you can see, you hear it.
I don't. Which gasket?
It's an oil pan gasket.
Okay, so you were down there with the load in Texas, or no?
No.
What were you doing down there?
Looking for parts.
So you drove from New York to Texas?
No. I started from Virginia.
With the load?
No.
So you drove this truck?
So I went to Knoxville, and I was supposed to replace it, but some other driver took it because.
So you went from Virginia to Knoxville, and now you ended up in Texas and then New Mexico? Absolutely wild, bro. Yeah, this guy's definitely up to something sketchy as hell right away, like up to no good for sure.
I was supposed to lease it.
Lease what?
The truck.
Okay. So you went to Knoxville, you delivered the load in Knoxville?
No, I was supposed to drop this truck for repair, but they said that it's going to take a month for them to fix this.
Wow. So then the company told you to drive it to Texas?
Yes, sir.
So you couldn't find a part in Texas?
Yeah, so last part I found was in Ohio, and that was my turbo.
Tell me this. This is a company truck, and they're having you drive around the country to find parts.
No, I mean, that's just this time, you know. I mean, it was going fine, you know, but I'm having, like, major problems with this, so.
Yeah, bro, just stop talking, bro. You might as well just shut your mouth now and just call a lawyer.
I'm trying to find the part so I can keep it going so I don't have to, like, sit at home for, like, a couple months.
But this is a company truck?
Yeah, I don't wanna go and, you know, go with another company, you know, when I'm, like, already with this company.
Okay. So why couldn't they just call Texas before you drove all the way down there?
They did. They said they have it. And then when I got there, they said that, hey, it's on back order.
Really?
So I called over here now. I told them, hey, check if you have it on hand, you know.
Okay.
They said they have it, so that's where I'm going to.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and do an inspection.
Yeah, bro's yapping way too much, man.
Just come off this side. Go. Hey, sir, what do you do? What do you do? Huh? Why are you locking the truck?
I'm not locking it. I'm just getting the keys so it doesn't get locked. Yeah, I don't get locked.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's already off to a bad start, bro. Like, if you're gonna commit some kind of crimes like that, my guy, like, have loads, bro. Have paperwork. Have BOLs. Do not have a seal on an empty trailer, dog. Jesus Christ, man. This guy needs to shut the hell up and get a lawyer, because whoever's paying him to transport this, call them and be like, hey, give me a lawyer, bail me out, whatever you got to do. But this guy's off to a super bad start. But right now, I don't want to just keep on watching it for no reason, so we're going to skip forward to the next part. I'm guessing the search, and then we'll get right back into this video. Okay, so right here, they're opening up the trailer. I'm trying to kind of skip through it. I didn't watch it, so I kind of like don't know what's happening, but I just want to skip to the good part, so let's check this out.
Sorry, man.
Well, at least the trailer was. I was expecting them to honestly open the trailer and just like a duffel bag be right there, like a big dummy. But at least that's not the case. So I'm guessing it's probably going to be in a truck,
Sorry to get you out here, but
You're good.
there's a
or actually maybe a secret compartment. I don't know. We're going to see. Let's check this out.
box in the cab with a blanket over it. He put a seal in on his trailer with no load. Drove from Virginia to Texas back to find parts. It's not even this truck. It's bull.
Yeah, cops. I'm obviously didn't know they're searching them, but
Come on out. We'll finish up. And
well, I don't know. I should have went back and checked that trucking company.
he's gonna run a dog run.
Probably could have looked at the name and
You wanna sit in my car?
checked them out.
Good. Hey, sir. The dog alerted to the odor of narcotics in the truck, so we're gonna,
In the truck, yeah.
so we're gonna put you in this vehicle in the meantime. You go with them, okay?
This dummy.
Come, Sony.
Jesus Christ, what a dummy. Dude. He's gotta be some of the worst criminals I've ever seen. Bro, get out of here, bro. What? Dude, in a box hidden with a blanket? What are you playing? Hide and seek? What are you, 12? Actually, not even 12, like 8? Oh my God, dude. At least like a secret compartment, bro. Jesus Christ.
Hey.
Oh wow, this is a bunch. Wait, what did I miss?
Yep, cuff him up. Oh, he's locked in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Where the hell is that's in his truck? Dude, I thought it was like in a trailer because it looked like container wall trailers. Damn, it's a lot of boxes, dog. How much did it say? I don't got the title of the video right now. Let me see. Hold on.
This is gonna be loaded.
Driver gets busted with 115 pounds of cocaine. Damn, 115 pounds divided by 2.2. 52 kilos, bro.
Here's my cuff.
Yeah.
All right, have a seat in there, bro. Get warm.
Jesus, what a dummy. Let me skip through this video a little bit more, see if there's any more juicy parts, and I won't watch. I'm going to jump right back on, so just give me a second. Let's get into the next part of this video. All right, this is the part where they start talking to him, so let's check this out. And I guarantee, man, I hope this guy just shuts his mouth, dude. Something's telling me he's not gonna.
I know you've been on the phone back and forth during this stop here, but you want to cooperate? What can you help me with? Well, have you made contact with the receiver of the drugs since I stopped here today?
I mean, I don't even know like what was in the boxes.
Okay.
Buddy told me, get this.
You don't know, bro, they're inside your dude. What are you talking about? Somebody comes to me and is like, hey, put boxes in your car or in your truck or you're in a sleeper, dude. You're not gonna ask what it is, but like, Jesus Christ, bro. Like, just shut your mouth and get a lawyer, bro.
Over here, I was
Buddy,
like,
Texas or?
yeah. So I was like, okay,
So we just.
I didn't even know like what was like, like But I'm like,
So do
I
you
didn't
know?
tell you anything.
you said narcotics, so I was like, okay.
He said
so-
narcotics to you?
Yeah, so I'm just like,
Why'd you take it?
I didn't know what the hell
Oh,
was in
your
the
buddy.
boxes. He said it's like toys, so I'm like, okay.
Toy. The dude said toys. What is this, a freaking toy run? Get out. Bro, just shut up. Stop talking.
He said toys.
So
He told me.
where do you
dogs
tell you
smell.
to take the boxes to?
Can you tell me? Can I go? I mean,
No, you're not going in.
Can I go? The dude said, bro said, hey, officer, can I go? Yeah, you could go to jail, you big dumbass.
tell you if you tell me I can.
If you want to help yourself out and drive this truck with the drugs and deliver them to the person that's supposed to receive them, we can do that if you're willing to. I just need to know if you made contact with anybody since I
And then
stopped
can
you.
we-
It wouldn't be up to me at that point.
I'm willing to cooperate. If you're willing,
You're willing to make a
cooperate.
delivery to take the drugs on to the receiver, yeah?
I don't know, man. If like, maybe it's like a unpopular opinion or whatever, but bro, you knew what you were doing, bro. So if you're gonna do that, now you want to cooperate, bro. Like you took the chance, bro. It's your fault. You got busted. You're a dummy. Now you want to cooperate, dude. You should have just shut your mouth and got a lawyer, bro.
If you people are willing to cooperate with me.
Well,
If I can leave.
it works the other way around, buddy. Okay.
If you're dude, oh my God, if they're willing to cooperate with you, huh, and let you leave, bro, dude, this guy, who gave this guy 52 keys, bro, to drive cross country with no load, dude? I don't know who's dumber, that person or this dummy.
I don't know what was in the freaking boxes, okay? These just set me up now.
So,
Who were you on the phone with when I cuffed you up?
It was my buddy.
buddy that gave you the box?
No, it was my buddy from Virginia.
You've been trying to call your boss. You said your boss.
Yeah.
So somebody knows you've been stopped, right? So I need to know, do the people that are responsible for the dope, for the drugs in there, do they know that you've been stopped? Since I stopped you an hour ago, have you made contact with them? I know.
Dude, that cop's slick, bro. He's like, oh, so the people that gave you the shit, you know, are you in contact with them, huh? Look at you, bro. Look at this officer trying to be slick, bro. Not his first rodeo.
Been on your phone quite a bit. All right, get in there. Yeah, I think we're done, man.
Kick your legs.
Let's go.
I was gonna tell you,
What are you gonna tell me?
I'm gonna cooperate with you. And I have a setup, okay?
What's the setup?
So these folks over here,
Over where?
close by.
Where's close by? You got to be
Indy,
specific.
Indy.
Okay.
So I can give you, I can cooperate, please. Like, I set up, man. Can I leave though?
You're going with him for now.
Yeah, for now.
Bro, you can't leave, dog. You can't leave. There's 52 bricks in your sleeper cab. You can't leave, dog.
These things take time, okay?
Yep.
So, let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Can I call my wife?
No. Right now, I don't know who you're going to call. Your wife could be involved. I don't know that.
She's not involved.
I don't think this is going to work, so we're just going to cancel the thing. I don't think you're being truthful with me, so.
I am.
It don't sound like it. So.
Sir, I am, for real. I just got set up here.
I'm going to run you up to the jail, okay?
Sir, yes. Help me, I can help you. Please.
Bro, this guy's annoying me.
Someone. I think you've made contact with somebody about the delivery of the drugs, and that spoiled the operation, so we can't usually that.
It's not. I can help you guys, for real. You guys gotta trust me. So because, you know, it set me up.
Trust me, bro. I've been driving around empty with the trailer seal and 52 keys in my sleeper, but trust me, bro, I'm gonna cooperate. You cooperate with me.
Toys.
Come on,
And-
man, you're smarter than me.
Listen.
You
Sir,
don't take boxes
sir.
of toys from Texas to Indianapolis for no reason.
No, sir. They said it's an address that was on there, right? On what? On the company, on the boxes.
On the box?
Yeah, right here, or whatever, right here. The boxes.
You know,
That's
and
where the dope's going?
No, it was coming from a company, and they said it's a company, you know, and we supply toys. And I was like, okay, it's not anything illegal. I asked them, they said, no, it's not anything illegal. And they just set me up here, man. I was just trying to get my damn parts.
Nah, I don't believe that either.
this guy.
Listen, I'm telling you, I can help you guys. If you guys.
So, dude, are you delivering toys or you just now you want to help them and you know what's going on, bro? Obviously, you're stupid, okay? Stop talking. Like, you should have stopped talking a long time ago. Just slow your the hell up. Okay, you're busted. You got busted, bro. You know, if you can't say, oh, they're toys, and then I'll help you out to bust those people. It's one or the other, dog. Like, this guy's so stupid, dude. Who hired this clown? Some other clowns that send them empty. Jesus Christ.
guys can help me, I can help you, please. I'm trying to go to my family too, you know?
I understand that. Everybody's trying to go with their families, but there's consequences to doing this stuff.
I know, but I'm trying to help you guys too, you know, so you guys can let me go.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work out.
So you guys are not gonna cooperate with me here? The guy's here.
Where's he at?
Nearby.
Right there?
He's nearby, I'm telling you.
Okay, he's following you?
He's not following me.
Okay, well, how nearby is he?
He's in Indy.
Okay.
So please.
Have you talked to him? Say, hey,
I thought this is New Mexico, bro. What are you talking about, Indy,
I
dog?
told him I'm on my way.
and what time is it?
Oh, shoot. This is my bad, dude. I made a wrong beginning of the video. This looks like Indiana police. So he was driving from Virginia. Hold on. So he drove empty from Virginia to Texas to go pick up the dope, and then he's driving back empty with the dope from Texas to Indianapolis, and he's busted in Indiana. Damn, he almost made that whole round trip and gets busted at the right by the home. That's nuts.
And from Virginia. And the moment I come, like, you know, it's just stupid comes. So what was in here?
Oh, you tell me what's in there.
I don't know. I mean, I didn't f***ing look. It came packaged.
I don't know what's in there. It looks like drugs.
What kind?
I don't know, so.
So you guys not going to do the operation?
No.
No, sir, he's here. I'm telling you, you guys are not cooperating with me. I'm telling you,
Oh my God,
I'm
dude.
not lying. I have nothing to lie about.
I'm not calling you a liar. I'm just saying.
I've been set up straight, and I'm trying to make this right for me, because it's not me. You know what I mean? So please.
All right, I can't look at this guy, bro. Let's get to the final point. This guy's just stupid. My final thoughts on this video is this guy is super stupid. Whoever did this or is in charge of him or was paying him are stupid as well. I mean, anybody that's in trucking knows, bro, you can't just be driving around empty, dude, especially like to Texas, dude, and back. Absolutely crazy, bro. No kind of disguise in this scheme. It was absolutely trash. Like, they didn't even get loads. They didn't even, like, try to make fake loads, BOLs, anything, bro. I mean, absolutely horrible operation. 52 bricks, you know what I mean? That's a nice chunk of change. I'm not sure what the street value is. I'm older now. I don't mess around, like when I was younger, like being stupid. So I'm not sure what the exact value of it is, bro, but I'm sure it's quite a hefty chunk of money. And just to be reckless and careless like this, bro, from him to whoever hired him, just a bunch of big dummies. And this really just blows my mind, man. Like, unfortunately, I'm not saying like committing crimes is a good thing, but when you get yourself in a situation like that, bro, you need to just shut your mouth and lawyer up, bro. You did not do yourself any favors yapping so much, and you're obviously just a big dummy, bro. Let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. I'm sure a lot of people will disagree with me because whatever, they got morals or whatever, bro. But I'm just speaking the truth, bro. Like, if you're gonna do stuff, don't be stupid. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button.